Prioritizing nutrient-dense foods. The key to optimal health. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the convenience of processed and packaged foods. However, these foods often lack the essential nutrients our bodies need to function properly. Prioritizing nutrient-dense foods is crucial for maintaining optimal health, and in this article, we'll explore the benefits of doing so. What are nutrient-dense foods? Nutrient-dense foods are whole, unprocessed foods that provide a high amount of essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients per calorie. These foods are typically rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and low in added sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats. Examples of nutrient-dense foods include 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and iron. 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins C and K. 3. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. 4. Fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. 5. Sweet potatoes. Rich in vitamin A, fiber, and minerals like potassium and iron. 6. Legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are high in protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. 7. Whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals like iron and B vitamins. Benefits of prioritizing nutrient-dense foods. Prioritizing nutrient-dense foods has numerous benefits for our overall health and well-being. Some of the most significant advantages include 1. Weight management. Nutrient-dense foods tend to be lower in calories and higher in fiber, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. 2. Improved digestion. A diet rich in fiber from whole foods can help regulate bowel movements and prevent digestive disorders. 3. Increased energy. Nutrient-dense foods provide the body with the necessary fuel to function properly, leading to increased energy levels. 4. Reduced chronic disease risk. A diet rich in whole foods can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. 5. Improved mental health. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals can help support mental health and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Tips for prioritizing nutrient-dense foods. Incorporating more nutrient-dense foods into your diet can be simple and delicious. Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Shop the perimeter of the grocery store. Focus on whole foods found on the perimeter of the grocery store, such as produce, meats, and dairy. 2. Cook at home. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes of your meals. 3. Incorporate more plant-based meals. Plant-based meals can be rich in nutrient-dense foods and provide a variety of health benefits. 4. Read labels. When shopping for packaged foods, read labels carefully and choose options with fewer ingredients and less added sugar. 5. Experiment with new recipes. Try new recipes and flavors to keep your diet interesting and varied. Common obstacles and solutions. While prioritizing nutrient-dense foods can be beneficial, there are often obstacles that can get in the way. Here are some common challenges and solutions. 1. Time constraints. Busy schedules can make it difficult to cook at home. Solution. Meal prep. Use a slow cooker, or find quick and easy recipes. 2. Food budget. Nutrient-dense foods can be more expensive. Solution. Shop in season, buy in bulk, and plan meals around staple ingredients. 3. Food preferences. Picky eaters can make it challenging to incorporate new foods. Solution. Involve family members in meal planning, try new recipes together, and find healthy alternatives to favorite foods. Conclusion. Prioritizing nutrient-dense foods is a crucial step towards achieving optimal health. By incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet, you can experience a range of benefits, from improved digestion and energy to reduced chronic disease risk and improved mental health. With a little planning and creativity, you can make nutrient-dense foods a staple of your diet and start enjoying the benefits for yourself. Recommendations. To get started, try incorporating 1 or 2 nutrient-dense foods into your diet each week. Some recommendations include: 1. Start your day with oatmeal. Steel-cut oats or rolled oats are a great source of fiber and can help lower cholesterol. 2. Add leafy greens to your smoothie. Spinach or kale can add a boost of vitamins and minerals to your favorite smoothie.